Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today I have my second update for my Make It March event, raising money for Motor Neurone Disease Association. So, what have I been up to? So since you last saw me, I have unfortunately been a little unwell, but I have found time to do crafting. I have, as you can see here, been indulging my love of colouring. This picture comes from my new book that I received as a gift, and I am so grateful. It is a book of witchy pictures, and I thought that this one definitely represented what I needed this week. Despite having felt so unwell this week, I do think that it's reminded me of how important craft is for both mental health and also physical health. I have really found that the small amounts of craft I've been able to manage this week have lifted my spirits, and I think that just highlights again how something as seemingly simple as crafting every day can work really well as a charitable action. So the obligatory diamond painting, just something little. I had some cute My Little Pony stickers that had been in my stash for a while, and I'd just not got around to doing them, and I really enjoyed finally completing these. They were a lot of fun to do. I'm not nearly as adept at pyrography as I would like to be, but I did really enjoy making these little sort of dangling sentiments, and already one of them has gone to my daughter as she really liked it. And finally, I finished up with a bit of a sort of collage project and making a cup mat, inspired by my favourite movie, The Wizard of Oz. And so that is my crafting for this week. I will see you again for another update next Friday. Please do remember to donate. As always, I would like to say a huge thanks to my generous patrons, John, Dylan, Maisie, and in the inner circle, Katerina Siplova. You too can support my channel from as little as £2.50 per month. So that's all from me for today. Please do consider to leave a like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty!